तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ।
आई थिंक इनसे डांस करवा लीजिए आप बेटर है। वो एआई नहीं है, खुद किया है।
सर
गलत बात
सर नहीं सर नहीं सर
हमारा इतना बजट था नहीं किया है
सर नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता सर, मैं मानता नहीं सर, मैं मान ही नहीं रहा सर।
मैं मानता हूँ कि वो एआई है।
हमारा बजट नहीं था इतना।
नहीं
देखो मतलब जेन्युइनली बहुत ज्यादा पैसा खर्च किया
हमने इनको बोला जो आपको
That's
आता है
not-
आप कर लीजिए।
That's not-
कोरियोग्राफर ने भी कुछ नहीं किया।
बट जैसे हम दिन में बात कर रहे थे सर सैफ सर कह रहे थे पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा क्यों सरप्राइज लगता है कोई नाच सकता है विच वॉज नॉट आई मीन जो लोग मुझे बचपन से जाते हैं मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड हरियाणा है बहुत घुड़चुड़ी और नाचा हूँ तो डांसिंग इज
जयदीप सर एक बात बताऊँ,
इज ओके इट्स
नहीं, नहीं,
अगेन Shazia and Piyush
पीयूष शाजिया।
they just made our job easy that's it
I'll actually tell you, जब हम ये गाना शूट कर रहे थे, तो what happens is whenever whichever actor has to go and dance, बाकी सब तब रेस्ट कर रहे होते हैं, काफी टाइम वैन में चले जाते हैं। जब जयदीप सर कैमरा के सामने जाने वाले थे डांस करने के लिए, he had an audience. हम सब ऐसे बैठकर देख रहे थे कि जयदीप is going to dance. We need to see this. सब उनके पहले शॉट के लिए वेट कर रहे थे।
पता है हो क्या रहा था सब बैठे थे कि देखते अब क्या करता है
मैं आपको
लाइनें याद करता नहीं मैं बताती हूँ बट बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि साथ में रिहर्स भी कर रहे थे जितना भी हमें वक्त मिला टाइम मिला मुझे लगता थोड़ा कम ही वक्त मिला उसके लिए बट आई थिंक प्रवीण एक लड़का है जो उनकी टीम में है उसने मुझे थैंक यू गाइस शाजिया पीयूष प्रवीण इट्स हैपेंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइस थैंक यू सो मच
मेरे इतने सारे ऐसे फैंस मेरे लिए चिल्ला रहे होते ना सर।
Real life personality.
हाँ जी रियल लाइफ पर्सनालिटी से
I think from Saif, I would like to steal his wit and his coolness. Yeah, a big fan of that. From Jaideep, I would want to really steal his acting skills. Unbeatable, as any co-actor I've worked with. And with Kunal, I would actually want to steal his voice. I've always said I really like. In fact, right now when we were backstage and you started speaking, I looked at Jaideep and I said, "Oh my God, his voice! I definitely want to steal that."
क्या बात है सर, मतलब है जी। नहीं मैं तो खुद बोल रहा हूँ, आप जब बाइक से उतर के आए आपने बोला यार शांत रहो, मैंने कहा यार बंदा कह रहा तो शांत ही रहो तुम तो। I just want to ask you, what would you like to steal from your co-stars in real life?
यार अभी सब बोल चुके हैं अभी
नहीं उनको छोड़ दो, सर आप बताओ, बाकी से नहीं पूछेंगे।
अभी बहुत सिमिलर चीजें हैं एक्चुअली It sounds boring when I say it, but you know what I really like about Jaideep is he has this ability where he takes feedback very well. तो मैं ये कभी सीन करते थे और मैं बोलता था ऐसे मत करो, थोड़ा ये ऐसे ट्राई कर लो, and he used to say very good suggestion. So he's very talented, but he's very open to feedback. And I think Saif is somebody who's very gracious, especially when it comes to me landing a couple of extra punches. He was very gracious about taking them. So he's a very gracious co-star and very generous as a co-star as well, which is very rare in our industry, where you don't, where everyone's trying to actually hog the limelight. But you know, he's he's somebody who's very fair, and you know, he's thinking about the film. But Nikita, you know, we didn't get a chance to really work together because, yeah, we've not worked in the film at all because मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है वो हिंदी फिल्म 80s की हिंदी फिल्म जो होती है ना उस तरह का कॉप है जो 5 मिनट बाद हमेशा पहुंचता है, तो जब वारदात हो जाती है सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है तब वो पहुंचता है. So we actually don't have any work together, but you know, I really enjoy chatting with her. She's incredibly smart. We've had some great conversations, and you know, I've really enjoyed my time just hanging out on set whenever we've had a chance.
I'm glad you
chatting.
criticized the music, but that's great.
Criticize which music?
My playlist.
उनका ओके सर आई जस्ट वांट कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो आप चाहते हैं दुनिया को पता लगे आपके बारे में जो अभी तक नहीं मालूम।
नहीं चाहता मैं सर
एक जैसे डांस तो आपने छुपा के रखा था हमें पता लगा, वो एक ऐसी
आपको अभी पता चला जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं वो सालों से जानते हैं
बट आपके फैंस को भी पता लगा और बड़ा खुश थे आपको उस रूप में देखकर।
उनके लिए नया है, बाकी पता नहीं मैं घर खरीदने वाला हूँ, इज दैट
I'm planning to buy a house. Is that new to everyone? किसी को नहीं पता अभी
Just don't give your address out.
No, I'm just saying. I don't know what to say.
जूल थीफ के लॉन्च पे आप बोल रहे हो आप घर खरीद रहे हो वेरी
बात तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है।
आपने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैं क्या क्या चुरा सकता हूँ?
सर अभी आएंगे एंड में इसमें आएंगे। तो पहले तो यही हो गया कि भाई खबर आपको दे दी हमने, और अब फाइल बताइए इनसे क्या आप चुराना
आप
चाहते
सीरियसली पूछ रहे हो?
हैं? अरे नहीं, आपने बोला आप
हरियाणा में एक प्रॉपर्टी है पटौड़ी पैलेस अच्छी है, मैंने देखी, बहुत कमाल की।
ठीक है।
सिद्धार्थ सर अच्छा नहीं आपसे हाँ निकिता से उसकी एक्चुअली बहुत एनर्जेटिक है वो, शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी। I sometimes envy that. Like she's always charming, happy, zone, and yes, let's do something.
See, that's how you appreciate a laugh.
Yeah. So I kind of think how
I'm just
come
joking,
she-
yeah.
So automatic every single day, every single time. And by of course the fitness, the voice, everything. Yeah, looks great. And
All right, thank you very much. I just character had an Instagram account. What would be the name of the handle?
My character had an Instagram account. It would be called.
No, Jul. No, come on.
I'd be something to do with
बनाया तो होगा आपने।
diamonds or jewelry or some kind of. Call me for stealing. I don't know what something. He definitely. I think. You think a thief, international thief, should have an Instagram account? Like, hey.
सर 2025 में तो होना चाहिए, और इनफैक्ट आपको रील्स भी बनाने
This
चाहिए।
is my house, and please, any
Let's not talk about that.
any theft, I can be reached at this number.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's a really good idea for a thief, international jewel thief to have an Instagram account. I'll, yeah, no. You're not
No?
going to ask me what I want to steal from my co-star.
Please, I will.
I want to steal Jaideep Arawat's feminine charm, very graceful, Nikita's manly laugh, because I wish I had a slightly more. You have to hear her laugh. And
I really didn't expect that coming. I thought you said something nice.
आज कुछ तो बहुत
You're not going to see me laughing in the film. Saving things.
and I wouldn't mind being as tall as Kunal.
What about the person who's sitting right next to you here, Siddharth Maan?
Stealing from
him.
I don't have to steal from him. He gives me.
Wow,
He gives me.
fantastic.
He's always given me.
So sweet. Jaideep, I wanted to ask you, and this is going to be the last question. एक ऐसी चीज
In a heist film like this, the lines between hero, anti-hero, mastermind, they often blur. You know.
तो सर यही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब अब आप बता दीजिए, मैं कह रहा हूँ 25 तारीख का क्या वेट करना सर, बता दीजिए सर प्लीज। If you could share more about your character, what else is happening?
What is the lovely thing about a script like this? I mean, what I like about a heist movie is the guy does something technically wrong. I mean, he breaks the law, but he does it for a good reason, usually to help someone in his family, and that kind of, it's an honorable kind of theft. So it makes it a very exciting kind of character. He's got skills that are of the criminal type. And I think people enjoy watching people breaking the law in a movie like this. It gives them a chance to kind of take on the system. And I think that's what heist films are about. And it's got a tremendous kind of strong anti-hero antagonist in Jaideep. So it was a lovely part for me.
Fantastic. You know, I saw the trailer, Jaideep. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन सा हो रहा है कि आप चोरी करवा रहे हो, कर रहे हो कि क्या है, तो थोड़ा सा आप भी बताएं अपने किरदार के बारे में
तो
प्लीज।
देख लो रेड सन नहीं लग रहा इतना कैरेक्टर में आज तक। बट आप क्यों जानना चाहते हैं? आपको फिल्म नहीं देखनी है क्या?
सर मेरे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है ना, वो पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया मेरे दोस्त ने।
नहीं देखिए, ये जैसे सर ने कहा कि हाइस्ट फिल्म्स में हमेशा बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट टर्न्स होते हैं और किसी को नहीं पता है कौन क्या गेम खेल रहा है। एज सर सेड कि नोबडी नोज, हमेशा ब्लफ होगा, कुछ ना कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा, किरदार बदलेंगे, उनकी हरकतें बदलेंगी तो कुछ नया ट्विस्ट आएगा। तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेंगे। अब ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं चोरी करवा रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा।
चलिए सिद्धार्थ सर, मैं आपसे
Heist film, which is a roller coaster ride, thriller, surprise after surprise. So I was looking to do something like that, and luckily I had a chance to do it with an amazing team. But for me, what was really exciting was the part. You know, I get a chance to play a tough, ruthless cop. Usually, I'm always cast as the mediator, the peacemaker, the poet, the philosopher. And I mean, in usual circumstances, if I was cast in this film, I would probably be putting all of you all on the table and saying, let's just sort this out. Let's just divide the red sun and move on. You know, that's the kind of parts I get. But here, you know, I get a chance to not be the peacemaker. I get a chance to have a gun, a badge, and slam a few people around. And that was great fun for me.
Fantastic. But सच्ची इतना मन में आया नहीं कि एक बार टेबल पे बिठा के कर ही लेते हैं, 3 हिस्से कर लेते हैं.
वो मुझे लगता है सैफ सर की सैलरी के साथ करना चाहिए.
Moving on.
के 3 हिस्से.
चलिए वो मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा तो आप उसका जब project, if you could share with us, you know, of course, you know, when you are a part of this heist, so much is happening in every scene, the story is moving so forward, and so much is happening in every frame. Could you share with us what was your experience working with this fantastic crew, and what is the one thing you learned or you took back from this project?
You know, as you rightly mentioned, when a heist is happening, there is actually a lot happening even while you're shooting. So there were lots of times when I would actually get so lost because I would just be like, okay, what's going on? Why is it going here? What's happening basically with the scene? So I've had 2 very, very talented directors who've actually led me on with that. If you have to take it, talk about taking back from this film, I mean, I've been a part of Sid Anand's world, which I feel is a huge thing because, I mean, you know, I feel as an actor, especially as a female actress, I would say, when you start working, all these years I have been in the industry, I don't think I've actually lived that classic Bollywood heroine tag, which thanks to you and to Mamta, I have gotten this opportunity to play the classic Bollywood heroine, and I'm not saying just because you're going to see me dancing. It's just overall to get the heroine feeling, and I think I've gotten that from this film. So that's my personal takeaway from being a part of Sid Anand's world with this film.
You know, you spoke about the directors, sir. So much is happening.
नहीं मुझे भी देना पड़ता है.
आपको देना पड़ता है? अच्छा, I was.
It's like 499 or something.
मैं तो.
It's lesser.
He
It's more expensive.
He gets a discount?
I get a discount.
Yeah,
As the first-
actually, even I pay more.
It's not the number.
I pay
more.
Value
Yeah.
for money.
नहीं वैल्यू है पूरी है वो तो मेरे को लगा था कि अब तक तो जयदीप जी और सैफ को तो अकाउंट परमानेंटली फ्री दे दिया होगा नहीं ऐसा
No amazing.
फिर ठीक है फिर
Everybody pays.
everybody pays then it's fine so I just want
Some people pay less. I mean, just you're paying a little more.
but Saif sir you know I just want to check with you you know because you as I said you've been ahead of the curve could you share with us when you see things around what are the Gen Z trends which you think will now
Also, you know, your earlier question, if a friend owns a restaurant, you know, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay, you know, and I don't like taking advantage of things like that. So,
मैं आप कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूँगा अपना बस
what about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know, I just wanted to know, you know, you've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है जेन ज़ी की दुनिया में
नहीं I don't know, you know. Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky. We get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I mean, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right, if you do something you really believe, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your?
It does, sir. It does. And I have to, you know, because you spoke about fashion, I think you've been very timeless. and even in that you've been ahead of the curve, I must say that. सिद्धार्थ सर, आपसे पूछ रहा था ना कि आप तो सैफ सर के साथ काफी समय से काम करते हैं, तारा रामपम, सलाम नमस्ते, you know, and now has anything changed in him? Be honest.
He's
It's not the first time we've been asked this question, so wait.
but I want to give an insight. He's grown wider and taller. Yeah, those are the only two adjectives.
Emotionally or
Physically,
Physically, as you can see.
ठीक है,
हाँ.
नहीं और भी कुछ चीजें बताएं सर.
grown inches.
Seth, same है यार. I think he is lovable. He is somebody who's a darling on set. He makes everybody comfortable. And I'm glad कि जो भी change हुआ, ये quality change नहीं हुई है. He makes everybody really comfortable, eases out everybody. Sometimes his jokes scare some people. His sense of humor is such. But he's amazing, and that's something that he shouldn't change.
So you said not much has changed. Can I humbly ask you, what is that one thing you would like to change in him?
Should I say it? Yeah, he should be on time.
सर आज तो सबसे पहले आए हुए थे.
No,
Tell us.
I think he has changed it, if I may. I mean, he was mostly
Which
on,
shooting day he changed?
Because,
Huh?
because I am.
You're on time. That's what I'm saying. He's kind of changed. Maybe you let us have control the thing, you know, they had time, but he actually was
आज
mostly on
नहीं
time.
थे.
Really, I have to give it. Be honestly on stage.
Thank you.
एडिट कर देना ये वाला.
Thank you, buddy. Bless you all, my children.
His children, please stand up in the crowd.
You know, the eyebrow.
नहीं
Oh,
नहीं,
Hey,
Oh, दो बच्चे हैं.
कंट्रोल.
all children, pick up your checks outside.
आपने चेक की बात करी, 3 ये भी खड़े हो गए. Okay, let's. Ruchika, I wanted to ask you,